Monday. It's a new week, new you. Guess what we're doing this week? Cardio. 5 minutes. That's all I'm asking is for you to commit to 5 minutes, 10 workouts, 30 seconds each. Let's do this. All right, the first exercise starts now. 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Let's go. Ice cream truck while we're working out. That's fine, no big deal. We're still gonna go through it. I'm with you guys today. We're gonna push through this together. It's getting louder. Oh, time. All right, while you're taking your quick water break, the next 30 seconds we're going to be doing switch lunges. Your legs are going to literally switch, okay? Don't forget to breathe every time you switch. That's the exertion, okay? So it's a right? If that's too much for you, walk it out. Step, step, but do not stop. Let's go. Again, if you need to modify, easy, step back, step, step, step. Not only are you getting your cardio here, but you're also working these legs and your butt. Okay, here we go. We're almost done. Time. All right, moving right into the next workout. We're going down, mountain climbs, 30 seconds. Here we go, right away. Here we go. Are you guys winded? Because I am. All right, next workout. We're almost done, you guys. Isn't that crazy? We got 5 minutes, killer workout, and then you can keep going with your day. Next workout, football shuffles with a squat. Watch. You're going to explode to the front, stay low. Keep your booty back, okay? Explode, shuffle back. 30 seconds, let's do it. Oh, this one's hard. Woo! Time. We've done 5. 5 more to go. You got this. Again, if you can commit 5 minutes to yourself, you're golden. Next workout, we'll be working jabs. We're gonna be in a horse stance, and we're just gonna go for it, crossing the body. You're going fast for cardio, but also working the abs, all right? Here we go. Stay low, focus, reach. So be sure to lengthen the arm. Don't stop here in the middle. Lengthen your arms. Keep the chest lifted. Breathe. Almost there. Time. Next, kicks. Front kicks. Fast. Okay? Keep the toes pointed. Lean into the kick. Here we go. Go right into the next workout. Let's do some high knees. 30 seconds, right away. Here we go. If this is too much for you, you can still keep it cardio, stepping it out. Just hit those knees up. But if you're still wanting that challenge, pick it up. Time. Last thing, jump squats. 30 seconds. Push. Ready? Here we go. hold it, hold, you're it. That's it. 5 minutes done. Anything is possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a comment below, catching my breath. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.